Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good evening everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reva Dimas Saputra with a student ID number of 3 at the end of 202. Today I'm going to take you into the world of UI UX design. Have you ever felt frustrated using an app because the buttons were hard to find, or conversely felt comfortable spending time on Instagram or TikTok? The secret behind those feelings is UI and UX. First, we have to define that what is UI and what is UX. People often think they're the something, but they're actually different. UX or user experience is about a feeling. How user experience is of use when using a product is about logic. Meanwhile, UI or user interface is about looking. How the product looks pleasing to the eye. Image a house. UX UX is UX is the position of the door and room, while UI is the paint color and wall hangings. So what's the difference in the work? UX designer work first. They research, interview users, and create a rough outline or wireframe. They ensure the application makes sense. After that, UI designer come in. They take that outline, the add color, choose font, and create an attractive button so users will feel comfortable looking at them. We are companies willing to pay a lot for UI UX. It's not just to look good. There's business value. First, loyalty. If an app is easy to use, users will come back. Second, sales. Good UI or UX can get users to press the buy button more quickly. Third, to saving. It's better to improve the designer early on than to have to disassemble the coding later, which can be expensive. We don't just design based on gut feelings. We use the design thinking method. We started by empathizing, listening to users' concerns. Then we define the problem, ideate or find solution, prototype and create mock-ups, and most importantly, we test it on the orders before releasing the apps. So the design is data driven, not assumption. That is concrete example of evolution. In the early stage, it's still just black and white box, like the sketch on the left called a wireframe. After being polished by a UI designer, it becomes a high fidelity version, like the one on the right, ready to be handed over to programmer. Currently, the most standard tools used in the industry is Figma. In closing, the key point is UI and UX are like two sides of the same coin. A beautiful UI without a good UX is like beautiful body without a brain. A good UX without a beautiful UI is smart but boring. The two must go hand in hand. That concludes my presentation on introduction UI UX. Do you have